What you say? Yeah, the road. Don't you know I'm blocking?
Oh, I'm gonna hit the
Just hit him. Go. Let's just see what happens. 10 points. Right side, left to loose. We're just gonna try to vlog today. We're fishing right now at the park. Just got here. Kortney's setting up.
Hi.
Okay.
You think you're gonna catch anything this time?
Nothing big.
I feel like I shouldn't hold this over the water.
Yeah.
Risk it for the biscuit.
Hey. Pumpkin.
Love that mocha swirl.
I'm obsessed with the pumpkin. I think it's so good. Call the white girl. Slide it all the way to the skin. I know it sounds disgusting, but it'll stay on better.
It's good.
Try to go up and right down through like that. So it loops all the way around through. I'm gonna leave a little dangle. That way they can see it. They'll come and get it.
Fishing 101 from Kortney Erica.
But I did see a kid pull out a bass right from the spot. Here we go. Fish on. We caught a little baby.
Yes.
This fish is still small. Ha-ha! Clean catch too.
Didn't even get a freaking bite of that worm.
There. Released. It's got a piercing now.
So there's people over to this side of me. I know, smooth, right? This lady's like throwing the breadcrumbs at the ducks. Not to the ducks, but at the ducks. And she's like grunting. I want to show you guys, but it's like really obvious. We'll try, hold on. Just arrived to our second destination. What is this place called again, my love?
Litchfield Park.
Litchfield Park.
It's like Terra
Verde
something like, yeah.
Lake. Let's see if we can catch some fish.
Here. It's finally pulling off a bit. I think it's about 95.
Let's say about 69 degrees. Oh no, look at that. No, Gordon, don't do all that.
Hey, I was the one that had to eat the worm, not you. Okay, enough.
Don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious, oh, don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious.
Why are you holding up so high?
Fingers crossed.
Persistence is key.
Take 69.
For the little baby. Oh, this is looking the best. Oh yeah, this is a baby largemouth. Fuck, I got it when I hooked him back. There he is. Oh, and there he goes. Got him. The smallest friggin' bass. Come here, buddy. Here.
So far, she's only caught like
2 fish.
two. I thought it was 3.
True to your none.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Kortney has no idea what I'm doing right now. She thinks I'm going to the bathroom, but I'm not. I'm about to bring her, or attempt to bring her.
Are you in the bathroom?
Yeah, I'm going to poop real quick. Fishing trip. Only 3 fish were caught. So now we're gonna go treat ourselves for catching all those fish and get some ice cream. Alright, so we just got shaved ice from a place called Ohana.
It's
right?
Hawaiian shaved ice. Really good.
But I got watermelon. Just plain old watermelon. Keep it simple. Oh, I just spit.
Keep it simple, stupid. Quote from Michael Scott.
Oh my god. No mess, please. 10 bed me after me.
No fishing is a good day. Fishing is like my therapy. I like how now we say that so casually, like, oh, it's only 100 degrees, like, Vicky, it's freaking cool off today.
Yeah.
That's pretty sad though, like, oh, 99, 100. What the f*** honking? I wonder why your car's all smashed up, you little.
Oh my god.
Honking just sets me right off. And it's literally always the people that have the trashed up cars that want to honk at you and this and that. Watch out, I'm a crazy ass driver. I'll run you the over. Speed bump. I'll go up your river. Going down to the river. Gonna go down to the river.
I really want to see what it looks like when it's filled up
I do too.
all the way. Could you imagine how many fish are in the wash? What a dick.
What
Why is
the
he honking at you? Do you know him?
No.
Does he go into your work all the time?
What is he doing?
I don't know. Did you cut him off?
No.
Well,
I literally have been in the same lane following that car the entire time. And then he all of a sudden just comes around and just starts honking like a
I
maniac.
feel like I cut him off or something. Maybe you
How
pissed
did
him
I
off.
cut him off?
Well, maybe he's just driving like a maniac. Look how close he's driving to this
I
guy.
know. I literally was just like this. He probably was trying to get into the lane and I was just going because I wasn't paying attention to him. I was in my lane doing my own thing. Like, f*** her. Oh my god, and he's turning into the apartments. Thank god we're not, so.
No, could you imagine?
You. I can honk too, like. Oh, and he's gonna follow us. Look, look, look. Look. Is this guy for real right now?
Just, where are you going? Are you gonna?
I don't even want to turn into Walmart because I don't want him to like.
Watch, he's gonna follow us and kill
No,
us.
he's not. But I'm not gonna turn into
Oh my
Walmart 'cause I
god,
do not
it's
feel-
3:01 on September. I don't even know, but that car.
What kind of a maniac just does that? I literally was just driving along. He just
Sped up.
speeds up and f***ing honks at us. You know, I didn't even pay attention, nothing. He's sticking his hand out the window and stuff because we were turning the same way. He honks again, so him. I honked too, and I laid on it. And then he got so mad, he whips out behind us, follows us, speeds up.
Literally
and then starts
follows
honking.
us.
Literally starts honking like a maniac, like holding on it, like, bang! Are you kidding me right now? That is such a joke.
You guys missed it, but I literally just, Courtney saw the thing.
I can't believe that. That's hilarious.
She saw the
though.
note because
And it's so funny that it was someone from our apartment building. I hope we find them.
she was looking around to see if there was something on the back of her car or anything like that.
Well, because I was like, what, like, maybe there's, like, something wrong with my plate. Like, I don't know. And I look, and there's a sign. And I'm like, are you kidding me right now? That was really good.
Yeah.
I was not expecting that at all. When he started to follow us
You
and
got
honk
scared?
more. No, like, well, a little bit. I just felt like he's gonna come get us. Like, I didn't want him getting into any fights or anything.